Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Welcome after results of Standard 10th Gujarat Board. Congratulations to all successful students. You are welcome in Rishi Academy of Sciences Parivar. You can join us by sending text message on 9825245816. Admission process just started today in both the branches, Kareli Bagh and Lora Bagh. Our topic is units and measurement. Okay, and we are referring NCERT textbook. Okay, so some students are joining today only. So see. Confirm your admission in Rishi Academy of Sciences as early as possible because these are just lectures, okay? Then after there is follow-up, okay? You have to send me the theory writing, and I will check it, I will correct it if needed, okay? I will give you assignments, practice, JEE practice also, simultaneously will be there. So join as early as possible. Rishi Academy of Sciences Parivar family. Okay. We are discussing units and measurement, and today's topic is dimension and dimensional formula. Okay. Dimension and dimensional formula. That is our topic today. So those who are joining just today, let us recall the previous lectures. Okay. First of all, we are going to start to study physics. What is physics? In simple words, it is study of nature. Study of nature. Okay. How to study? Observe events surrounding us. Events are of two types, natural and man-made. Okay. Observe the events surrounding us. Now, try to describe events. How to describe? We need some concepts. Okay? Suppose we want to describe this duster. Okay? Then we say this as length. It is a concept. It is not written here anywhere. We say this as breadth. It is also concept. Never written here. Okay? So, we have to use some concepts to describe physical events. If those concepts can be measured, then those concepts are called physical quantities. Physical quantities. Okay, concepts which can be measured. Okay, measurement means we have to give a specific numerical value. Okay, suppose length. Okay. Length of this duster has a different number. Okay, and length of this whiteboard has a different value. Okay, so we have to give a specific numerical value to that quantity in that given event. Okay, that numerical value is called measurement. And then we have to write appropriate unit. Okay, like meter, centimeter, whatever, but we have to give a unit that is called, so the chapter is units and measurement. There are so many quantities, okay, but we have decided that we need only units of some basic quantities. Those units are called basic units, or say fundamental units, or say base units. Okay, in System International, okay, that is recognized worldwide, that we use today. Okay, there are 7 base quantities, so 7 base units. Okay, from those 7 base units we can derive the remaining units. Okay, so the other quantities other than these 7 base quantities are called derived quantities. In order to obtain derived quantities, we need different base quantities and different powers of those base quantities. Okay, that relation we have to discuss today. Okay, in simple word, the powers we use of base units to obtain derived units, those powers are called dimensions. Those powers are called dimensions. Let us explain. See, area. Okay, suppose this type of shape is there. Area equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay, length we will denote as capital L. Okay, when we discuss dimension and dimensional formula, length is shown by capital L, mass is shown by capital M, and time is shown by capital T. Okay, so length is L. We know that breadth is also one type of length. The only difference is it has less value. Okay, so L into L. So we need L square. So we can write like this. There is no need of mass. So mass raised to 0, length raised to 2, time raised to 0. Okay, here this 0 is dimension of mass in area. Okay, this 2 is dimension of length in area. This 0 is dimension of T in area. And this is called dimensional formula of area. Dimensional formula of area. Okay, and if I write like this in square bracket area, and this is called dimensional equation. Now you can understand these definitions. What is definition of dimension? Dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers to which the basic units of fundamental quantities are to be raised in order to obtain its units. See, we know that speed equals to distance upon time. Distance is one type of length and time is capital T. We don't need mass, so m raised to 0, L raised to 1, T raised to minus 1. Here, in speed, dimension of mass is 0, dimension of length is 1, and dimension of time is minus 1. Okay? The powers we use are called dimensions. Powers of base units. Okay? To obtain derived quantity or derived unit. Those powers are called dimensions. Now, what is dimensional formula? The expression of derived units in form of fundamental units like form m raised to x, l raised to y, t raised to z, square bracket, okay, is called dimensional formula. For speed, the dimensional formula is m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 1. This is called dimensional formula. These are called dimensions. Dimension of mass is 0 in speed. Dimension of length is 1 in speed. Dimension of time is minus 1 in speed. Okay? So, dimension and dimensional formula. Now, if I equate like this, it is called dimensional equation. The equation obtained by equating a physical quantity to its dimensional formula is called dimensional equation. Okay?